On occasion, if you ever find that this door isn't closing, I've got this zipped close and tight. It might add tension to the door. So having it unzipped will make the door close better, or having it rolled up and out of the way will just give me a chance here to show off some other features. Now this is our Migi mesh screen. I can unzip that nice and high. And I've got access there back into my cabin. My Laguna table here. Now this is something I've learned in practicing, and what it is I keep thinking that if you come up close here and have a look at that, I keep noticing that I can't get the handle all the way around. Well, the idea here was it is actually like a socket or a ratchet. Push it like a button, pull the handle out, and then that's going to free spin it so that I can get this guy back and tighter there. Now this one has been loosened right off, so let's just do that again. I have this handle, I push it like a button or pull the handle, it's now free spinning. I then can give it another crank, free spinning, and another crank, and I can get it tight even if that's in the way. The idea is free spinning by pushing that like a button. So this is a little bit of practice to get that going there. What we found was this one was the same. I'm trying to loosen it off. It's hitting the side. The idea is I free spin, do it again, free spin, do it again, and I can now move my table up and down. That was the trick that I've just learned in the last little while about making this Laguna table easier. I don't have to do a 360, pull it out, use it like a ratchet, tighten it up. That goes for all my handles and all my setup there for using the Laguna table.